Hello and welcome. Today I will be working on a 18 by 24 inch canvas from Michaels. The technique I'll be doing today is an open cut pour, and here I am just using an X-Acto knife to cut a hole in the bottom of the cup. Now I am going to puddle down all of the colors that I'm going to be using first. Then I'm going to take my double shot cup and put that on top of the puddled colors. Then pour each color inside of the open cup. But you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. However, I do want to take this time to say thank you to everyone who shared their condolences for my aunt who passed a couple weeks ago. I really do appreciate it. I'm just happy to be back pouring regularly, getting the juices flowing, and I can't wait to show you guys what new ideas and creative pour paintings that I come up with along the way. As I stated yesterday, I do have one more commission to work on, which will be a big one. It will be a 36 by 36 inch. I believe it will be the third or fourth commission that I've ever worked on, but commissions are always fun. Yes, they're a little stressful, but they're always so much fun to create. Here, I'm just going to move the open cup around a little bit because, you're just pouring the colors in one spot. So you want to swirl the cup around in any direction that you like, just to give the painting an abstract look. And then you can play around with the composition a little bit more afterwards, like while you're stretching out the paint along the canvas and getting the composition to your liking. But I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. I love these chunky white boulder two-tone cells that I got throughout this entire painting. And I got these cells by mixing pure white satin enamel and Floetrol. That is like my pouring medium. If I want to add it to another color, then I will just add a little bit of the pure white satin enamel and add some Floetrol to it, and then I mix the color that I want to use. But I cannot wait to see how this dries. These cells over here, they're gonna look raised off the canvas because of that satin enamel and Floetrol. But oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. I'm happy that I painted tonight, and I'm gonna get this video up tonight for you all to see this beautiful painting. I cannot wait to see how it dries, but I won't be able to show you what it looks like tonight, but I will be able to show you tomorrow. So I love it. I'm happy I'm getting back in the groove. Thank you for watching.